everybody, Hannah here for ArDrive. Today I want to show you how to archive web pages using ArConnect. If you don't already have this plugin installed in your Chrome browser, check out our video which shows you easily how to do this. You can find the link in the description. Okay, let's get right into it. So here I have got an article from Rappler, which is news based out of the Philippines, and I want to archive this particular article on this particular web page because it kind of was the starting point or a bit of this catalyst for getting Maria Ressa in trouble with the Filipino government, and now has consequently given her the Nobel Peace Prize for her work in journalism. So I would like for this piece to be preserved for forever. So what I'm going to do is go up to our friend the hedgehog and click on him. And below my wallet balance, you'll see this little thing, archive page, pretty intuitive. And when I click on it, ArConnect is going to give me a preview of what this page will look like as a file in ArDrive. So as you can see, the picture isn't there, but all of the content is, and this is what I am really wanting to preserve. So any links that are on this page are going to work. Like here, if I click on Rambo Talabong, then you can, it will link to his profile, and that link will still work when it is in ArDrive. However, links only work if there's something to be linked to. So how long will his profile on the web page be there for? I don't know, but I do know that when I archive this page, it will be there for forever. So I'm going to go down here to archive and click on it, and I have already made a drive called Rappler News. So I will select Rappler News and come down here, make sure that I have the wallet that I want to use. And then down here, ArConnect has given me the size that the file is going to be when it's saved. And based on that size, they have estimated a fee of 0.000008 AR. Okay, so if you are like me and this number feels kind of abstract, like you're not so sure what that even translates to, you can just head on over to prices.ardrive.io. This is our price calculator. And you can put that estimate here at the bottom, and it will tell you about how much that is in US dollars. So because it's mainly text, it's really cheap. It's about half a cent US, which is great. So I'll come back to my ArConnect tab here, and I'm going to put in my ArConnect password and click Submit. Okay, so permanence takes time. If I want to archive more pages while I'm waiting for this one to show up in my ArDrive, I can head on back to Rappler and I can select other pages and go through the same process of going to my friend the hedgehog and clicking archive and get those going at the same time. Well, I am waiting for this particular one to show up in my ArDrive. I'm just going to keep myself busy. Alrighty, here it is, my Rappler News article in my Rappler News drive. So you can see it's been given kind of a long name here, and I want to clean it up a little, so I can click on it and then click on this pencil and rename it. Also beside that, I can create different folders within Rappler News, and I can then organize those files. At the front here, I can download the file, and most importantly, beside that, if I click on this, I'm given the permalink to this file, and I just have to press copy link, and now I can share that with anybody. So this is really easy and a really great application for researchers, historians, archivists, professional or amateur who want to save important information on web pages long after the web page itself might be gone. So I hope that you enjoy that you can save web pages that are important to you, not only for you to enjoy, but for others to enjoy and explore for many, many years to come.